My name is Nicki. I'm an English makeup artist and I live with Carlo and our daughter Sky in Positano, Italy. Our house is far from the road but surrounded by fruit trees and olive groves, and we grow our own food. We'll show you what it's really like to live on the Amalfi coast. Subscribe and welcome to the Positano Diaries. Very exciting day today. I've come to Praiano with Elisabeth and the gals, and if you were following us along the summer, you might have seen us coming here and visiting the goats and wondering if one of the goats was pregnant. Well, last night a little baby was born. We're going to go and visit it for the first time.
Dormire, che stai facendo? Sono tutti...
Hanno scoperto la porta aperta.
Sì.
C'era un altro uovo arrivato. Che si può fare pipì? No.
Here's Mummy. And it's a little booby.
Aspetta, Leni.
Hey, clever. Yes, you are. Ow.
Warte, schau. Ich halte mal. Hopp, hopp. Schau, da komm her. Ganz weit. Ganz weit. Streichen. Komm her zu mir. Schau. Oh, das ist lieb. Okay, warte. Komm, jetzt gehst du. Runter. Kannst dich hier hinknien.
Warte, er ist
This is Fiocco. And he's so soft. He, she, we don't know at the moment. Oh, was that a squeak? Was that a squeak? Ooh. All right.
Er hat die Zähne.
Good. There you go. Good way.
Così non devi scavare l'altro tipo.
And the baby goat is called Fiocco, which means flake, as in snowflake. And that's because last night it did snow. Way over there past Salerno, you can see the snow on the tops of the mountains.
Faccio fare da vedere. No, pure da qua.
Bagels. Well, that ruined that surprise, didn't it? Yes, this is a box of bagels. And this has been sent to me by my friend Linda, who has the hostel called the Beehive in Rome. And we've got lots of maps of Rome. Hundreds and hundreds of maps of Rome. Let's see if there's actually any bagels in here. Ooh. Wow. A dozen. Poppy seed, sesame seed, mix. Oh, that's the only one in there that's got a label on it. So as I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted, my friend Linda from the Beehive, they've started making bagels and sending them, and she sent me 12 bagels, which I am very, very excited to try. I think this is going to be dinner tonight. I already have some smoked salmon and cream cheese in the fridge, ready and waiting, and they can be frozen too, which is really handy. So I will give some to Elisabeth tomorrow morning, and I will be tucking into the rest of them. Thank you very much, Linda, if you're watching. So I have prepared 3 types of bagels. We have one with, I've already forgotten what I put in it. It's got prosciutto, cream cheese and cherry tomatoes. This one has got cream cheese, green olives, roasted peppers and Gruyere cheese. And this one is a classic smoked salmon and Philadelphia. All different bagels, and we're going to try them now. Yum, yum.
Little one. What a baby. Oh dear, oh dear. That wasn't very nice, was it? Horrible animals.
Oh, Larissa. I was just about to take Holly for a walk, literally putting my shoes on, and then there was a huge clap of thunder, and this happened. A full-on hailstorm. Chicky! What a mess. So when there are thunderstorms in this part of the world, they are pretty intense, and no matter how warm or cold it is outside, you can get hail, extremely loud claps of thunder, and sudden torrential rain, as you've just seen. It's all stopping now, but it's not raining anymore. It's all over, but you can hear the river still pouring down there. My jeans are soaked. What happened, Holly? Is it almost snowing again? You like it, don't you? That river runs all the way down behind this wall and then channels all the way down to the beach. Now, I really was literally about to leave the house just before that happened, and I'm so lucky that I didn't, because I would no doubt have been stuck out in the middle of a mountainside somewhere with nowhere to shelter, with all that going on. Storm chasing, where did it go? That direction. See that? Wow. Well, the forecast says that we're going to have weather like this up until Monday evening. Today is Saturday, so full Saturday, Sunday and Monday. Another 3 days of storms and rain. What fun! There it goes. Right, I'm going to go back home and get dry, put some dry trousers on, dry the dog now because she's bound to be soaking, and shelter from the next storm that comes in. Now, these waterfalls that come down from the top of the mountain only happen when it's rained pretty significantly. They don't last very long. It's already about 10 minutes later, and as you can see, it's much less already. Let me show you. It's stopped coming down the steps already, and it's starting to die down. Much less intense. And probably with another 10 to 15 minutes, if it doesn't rain again, that will stop completely. And it's normally just a dry riverbed. So as I said, it runs right down the side of the garden behind that big wall there, and it's starting to rain heavily again. I'm going to go inside. Okay, I'm under the porch now. So that wall that you can see behind me, the river runs right behind that and only runs when it's raining heavily. Yes, potentially it could be dangerous. I do get a lot of comments when I show the waterfall coming down saying, oh, isn't it dangerous, isn't it dangerous? Yes, if the wall suddenly collapses, it could be dangerous. We could get flooded, but Vesuvius could erupt one day. I could get squashed by a bus. All sorts of things could happen, and you can't live your life scared of what might happen. That's my philosophy anyway. So that river has been here for hundreds of years. This house has been here for a long time. I'm getting wet. This house has been here for quite a long time, and there's always been land here, and up until now nobody's ever been flooded out. Have we got electricity? Yes, we do. About half an hour has gone by. All is quiet. The river has stopped. I'm going to quickly take you into the riverbed and show you what it looks like there. It's safe now. If it starts raining, I will make my way out swiftly. See absolutely no sign of a waterfall or a river or anything. And here we are. No sign at all of that rushing torrent. The sewer system also passes under here. What are you doing? Have you followed me again? You are a naughty puppy. Why do you have to follow me everywhere? Is it exciting? Come on, let's go. Back down. And this is where it turns into a waterfall. What's that? You want to know where it goes down there too? Come on then, I'll show you. If you watched my videos during the quarantine diaries back in March and April, you might have seen us going on a zombie hunt one day. That's where we had the zombie hunt, down in the riverbed. And it's a little bit of a tricky pathway to get down there. And we have to go down here. Okay, Holly, where are we going? It's a very steep pathway. It necessitates walking sideways. It's not the easiest pathway to do, especially... Ow! Those are brambles. Especially when it's this muddy and slippery. And here we are. And we call this our own little Jurassic Valley. Completely untouched. Nobody ever comes down here. It's currently very wet and slippery here, and a little bit icy too, so I'm not going to go exploring the valley with you today. We'll do that another time with Carlo probably. I think I'm going to make my way back up again now before it starts raining again. Come, you were wet puppy. Right, so I think that's probably it for going out today and tomorrow and the next day. But oh yes, by the way, I wanted to say those bagels the other night were very, very good, and I'm about to make another order. They're available for delivery all around Italy, and I'm going to order a couple of boxes because they can be cut in half, stuck in the freezer, and then popped directly into the toaster. And I'm missing them already, so I'm going to put another order in now. Hope you've enjoyed this video. I just wanted to ask that if you are enjoying my videos, please think about subscribing. It's just hitting that little red button down at the bottom there, or the little heart in the bottom of the video that you can see. It doesn't cost you anything. I can see that only about 36% of people that watch my videos are subscribed, and the rest aren't. And it doesn't cost you anything, and it helps me out a load. So please do consider doing that for me as a little show of appreciation. And in the next video, we will be taking you up to the snow. The other day, we went up to Montefeltro where it was thick, thick snow, and it took us less than an hour to get there from Positano. So tune in on the next video to watch that. Thanks for watching, bye.